Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce this bike. This is a Yamaha Roadstar XV 1600. This one is from year 2001 and it's a 1600cc naturally aspirated air-cooled V2 OHV engine and 62 horsepower motorcycle, which is also called Wild Star in Europe. I didn't make some heavy customs because I like the original style of this motorcycle. Anyway, this one is almost 20 years old, so I think the classical style is more fixed on this. I like to keep this style. So I just did some minor changes of this style, some parts. One of the custom part is the muffler. Yeah. This is not original from Yamaha. It's a custom parts manufacturer called Cobra. I think it's from US. I like its sound. Well, we can check on the sound after. And the other one is the engine guard. And this one is a wind shield, a big screen. This is also very necessary. And the fog lamps. Yeah, the fog lamps is made. This one looks very cool. I like his fog lamps. It's very bright. When I ride on highway or in the night, they are very useful, helpful. I like that. Well, this wind screen can protect me from the strong wind and some bug attacks. It's comfortable. And the fog lamps, they have some individual switch, so I can turn them light and turn them on, turn them off as I like. It's not going to shine to other drivers. And the engine guard is very fat pipe. It's strong and stylish, I think. I got a drink holder. Yeah, then I can have some drink when I ride on my bike. This is original, handmade. I made it. And this is side bags. It's very big bags from actually Harley Davidson. It's very big, so I can keep all my stuff inside there. When I have a long ride, it's necessary. I don't need to catch a big bag on my back. So it's keeping my style cool. Yeah, this is a drink holder. I can keep some drink. And also I got some heat guard. Yeah, heat guard of the mufflers. The muffler not to melt my pants down. And you can see this engine guard. It's very fat pipes. It's strong enough to keep my engine, muffler, and my legs safe. And on the other side, we can see the transmission here, and there's a pulley because this one is a belt drive motorcycle, so we can see the pulleys here in the belt. Yes. And then last, we have both tire. Have a wide rings. It's called wide ribbon tire. I think it's a classical style. It's cool. I like it. And the spoke rims also make it a classic styles. And the front brakes is double disc brakes. But this one's too heavy, so not going to stop very fast. Well, anyway, this is the bike. Now let's check on the sound and how it's running. The spin shift.